Will die of cardiovascular disease. It's a startling statistic from the American Heart Association.
That's why doctors are urging women not to ignore the warning signs. News 13's Jessica Foster tells us how to save your heart and life in tonight's Modern Medicine Report.
Doctors say in the past, most research focused on heart disease in men. That's changing. In fact, more women die from heart disease than breast cancer. Now medical professionals are trying to make sure women know the symptoms.
And I just ignored it.
Betty Kucera had been ignoring the warning signs, such as pain in her back and tightness in her chest. She had a heart attack.
And I had a roiling feeling in the stomach. This is one of the symptoms that a lot of women don't pay attention to. And it was just a roiling, and I felt as if I were going to pass out.
Classically, everyone thinks of chest pain, so they expect somebody to feel like a fist coming into the chest, but really it could be pressure, a heaviness. It could be located in the chest, but often in women between the shoulder blades or even up to the jaw or ears.
Interventional cardiologist Dr. Amir Haghighat opened up Betty's 5 blocked arteries at Bay Medical's Sacred Heart. He says ignoring symptoms is not uncommon in women.
But it's also something to do with how women perceive the disease. Sometimes they think it's a disease more affecting men than women or the really elderly. I sometimes get 40 or 50-year-old women in my practice who just didn't think it could ever happen to them.
Betty says she's lucky and wants to get the message out to other women.
Pay attention to how your heart feels, your chest feels. When you're breathing, when you're walking, doing anything, pay attention.
Friday is National Wear Red Day. The American Heart Association is encouraging everyone to wear red to bring awareness to heart disease and the effects it has on women. You can also find out more about heart disease by visiting our web channel, WMBB.com, and clicking on Modern Medicine under the Special Reports link at the top of the homepage.